everyone, it's Lizzie and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be talking about Etsy, and specifically, we are going to be talking about 3 things I wish I knew before starting my Etsy shop. So if you guys are interested at all, or you're wanting to start your own Etsy shop, then make sure you watch the entire video to get the 3 things that I learned. So if you guys want some motivation on ways that you can manage your finances and also earning an online income, then make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you won't miss when I upload. But also, I'm excited because this is a collab with my friend here on YouTube, Mary from Pennies Not Perfection. She also has an Etsy shop and she will be sharing things that she wished she knew before starting her Etsy shop. So definitely head on over to her YouTube channel, say that Lizzie sent you. She does a lot of videos similar to me, budgeting, debt-free journey, and also check out her Etsy shop because she has a lot of trackers for you to be able to mark off different goals that you are achieving. If you are a visual person, like many of us are here in this community, then this is a shop that you would love. If you are coming over from Mary's channel, I just want to say welcome. I hope you guys consider subscribing. I do a lot of budgeting videos and grocery hauls and pretty much ways that you can live on a budget. All right, so let's dive into the 3 things that I wish I knew before starting my Etsy shop. The first thing is taxes. Yes, I'm starting with the big one because it is super, super important. Now, I know many of you may be thinking, well, Lizzie, taxes, that is so obvious. Didn't you not know that? How could you not know that? Hello? I am referencing sales tax. Now, when I started my Etsy shop, which was June of 2019, I had no idea that I should even be thinking about sales tax, but it is super important and you do not want to miss this tip. So the first thing that I had to do what I should have done before starting my Etsy shop was going to register as a business for my state. Now, my state, I live in Florida, they require these things. So you definitely wanna check into that depending upon where you live. But I had to register as a business. And then I also had to go to my city to file for a sales tax, like for a local business. And also I had to go to my county and file locally with the county as a business. And these are things that are vital for being a business owner and for having my Etsy shop. So that is something that I should have done before starting that. But I did not get penalized. I did notify them of what happened, what occurred, and that I was new, had no idea what I was doing, and they said it was okay. I didn't have a lot of business during that time frame when I found out. So that's also something that if you figure out that you're doing something that is not quite right, fix it right away. Get your feet on the ground and get moving to get that corrected because you do not want to be penalized. You just don't want that to happen. Now, the second thing I wish I knew is doing a lot more research. So it takes a lot of time. If I would have done this from the beginning, then I would have avoided what had occurred in the number 1 thing that I recommended to you guys to do before starting up your Etsy shop. So make sure you contact the people that you have to in the city or the state that you live in, because you want to make sure that you are abiding by the laws and the regulations and all of the things when you are opening up your shop. Now, the third and last thing that I wish I would have done before starting my Etsy shop is this: leveraging my social medias more, my other social platforms more. Now, I didn't realize how important it was to actually mention that I have an online business. And some of you may be like, well, yeah, you should be shouting out from the rooftops that you're a business owner and all of the things. But it can be a little intimidating for the people that you surround yourself with, for your actual community, of them kind of being spammed in such a way. But you need to do it in a way that is organic and that is natural and that you're not being pushy, right? So for example, in my YouTube videos, this is one of the social platforms that I use personally to direct traffic to my Etsy shop. So I do have to mention it maybe once or twice in one of the videos using the product that I have created. So by actually saying that I created these worksheets and you can find them on my Etsy shop over here. And I'll like put up a screenshot, or I'll tell people to check the description box down below. I have gotten probably like 90% of the business that I have gained on Etsy is from my YouTube channel. So you definitely want to make sure that you're leveraging your other platforms. But also, you can use Instagram. So I'm very active on Instagram, and I do post things periodically over there about my Etsy shop. If you guys are not following me over on Instagram, you should, because I share a ton of information and you get to know me a little bit better. But it is very important that you leverage other social media platforms to direct traffic to your business. Now, of course, this may seem obvious to some of you who have been doing this for some time or who follow other influencers who share these ideas, but it is something that can be neglected. I honestly believe that you can think about it, but actually following through and doing the thing, that is something that can be challenging. So for me, on my YouTube videos, I don't always like script out my videos, so I tend to forget to reference certain things. So I have to be better at that, and I'm actually trying that out here on this video, making notes of things that I want to cover. Sometimes you will forget to mention that one thing, which is super important if you're wanting to have a successful Etsy shop and a successful online business. I personally lacked this in the beginning, and I am now realizing how important it is to mention your business on other social platforms, but do it in a natural, organic way. You do not want to seem salesy or pushy. You don't want to come across that way. So make sure you do it in the best way. Yeah. Now, comment down below if you're an Etsy shop owner and you know of other things that you wish you would have known. Share it with us. Comment down below. Let us know what things that we could also be doing better as online business owners. Or if you are one that is interested in starting up your own Etsy shop, then let me know in the comment section. I would love to hear from you guys. And if you are that person that is interested in starting up your own Etsy shop, then I created this free worksheet where it's a way that you can come up with an idea, come up with a list of 5 things. So the first 5 listings, have something on your Etsy shop, and come up with a niche. So this is a great worksheet for you to have like that brain dump and really see it on paper before you open up your Etsy shop. So click on the link in the description box and it will direct you to get that free download. Also, if you're wanting to join a community of fruit gals, then make sure you join my private Facebook group. It's called Budget Essentials for Success. I am so happy of the group of women and people that we have come together in that community. We would love to have you. This is a great place for you to share your successes, to share how much money you have saved or made on a side hustle that you have going on, and really just motivate each other to be able to achieve all of the financial goals that you have personally, and just cheer each other on to continue on and not give up on the goals that you have. So I would love to have you over there. I'll have all of that information in the description box as well. Now that I got all of that covered and you all know the 3 things that I wish that I would have known, I know you all will be set up for success if this is something that you are interested in trying out. Check out this video next to see how much income I had earned online in 2019. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you do enjoy these videos, please consider subscribing, liking this video, and sharing it with a friend if you found it helpful. I will see you guys in my brand new video. Bye guys!